classes, and we have started our third chapter, A Day with Nandu, and I have discussed the chapter with you and few questions also. But today few more important questions I would like to write on the board, and I prefer that you all will have your copy, proper copy, and the pencil, book, everything, so that you can write down, copy down answer from the board. Okay, is it I am audible to you? Are you listening me? Shrija, is it you are listening me? Write down whether I am audible or not. Is it I am audible to you? Class 4, is it I am audible to you? Please write down yes or no so that I can proceed. Shrija, is it clear? Voice is clear? Srijita, is it voice is clear? Yes? Okay. So you just, Ognisha is writing no. Why Ognisha? Everybody is listening. Why you are not listening? See whether anything you have made mute or not. See that. Because, yes Noitik, what you want to say? Okay. So now we will start. As we have discussed the few questions in my last chapter, in my last class, and today we will refer to page number 25. See, last two questions I will write on the board. Which one? First one, do you also live in a group? Do you like to live together like that? And why would you like or not like to live in a group? I am not writing the question, I will write the answer only. You can write in your book, as well as it is better to write in your copy, because maybe you will not get the proper place to write in the book. Okay, so take out your copy and write down the answer. At first we will write the page number 25, refer to page number 25, and the first question or the last question here you see, this is the question why I would like and why I would not like. So write it down. Number 1 point, living together gives security. Okay. Number 2 point, security. So the first point is living together gives security, strength and self-confidence. Number 2 point, we can enjoy more. Number 3, we learn to help each other. And when why would not like, there you will write quarrel. We cannot see and hear you clearly, Tawfiq. Ma'am, please give answer. Shoham, I am writing the answers. You copy it down. Give me answer. So, Aniruddha, Tawfiquddin, I am writing all the answers. You write down, as well as I will just dictate the answer. Okay? So, you will see and you will write it down. This is the answer only. So, this is the answer of page number 25. Write down, Abida, what are you want to say? একটু স্পিকারটা খোলো তো শুনতে পাচ্ছি না Sham, I am writing the answer, so you write down the answer. ওটা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন একটু জুম করে দেবে Okay, wait. You just okay. I'm telling you. Just listen and write. First question: why would I like living together? Gives security, strength, and self-confidence. The first point is living together gives security, strength, and self-confidence. The second point, we can enjoy more. Second point, we can enjoy more. And the third point is, we learn to help each other. Again, I am writing the points. Why would I like? Living together gives security, strength, and self-confidence. Second point, we can enjoy more. Third point, we learn to help each other. Clear now? Now, the second column where I have written why I would not like. So, the points are quarrels may occur. First one is quarrels may occur. Number two, we may become dependent. We may become dependent. D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-T. Dependent. Number three, we may not feel fully free. We may not feel fully free. So, these are the points of the question. Refer to page number 25. Now, the last answer of page 25, how do elephants feel when they kept in chains? Discuss and share your feeling. So, I am writing over here, you just write down, and I will dictate also, so that the words will become clear to you. Okay? enjoy. Friends. His family. Okay, I'm dictating so that you can write down. The second answer, when elephants are kept in chains, write down. Who are not seeing properly, just listen and write. When elephants are kept in chains, they must be feeling very bad or painful, as they cannot move freely and enjoy with their friends and family, and they lose their freedom. So the answer is again here, when elephants are kept in chains, they must be feeling very bad or painful, as they cannot move freely and enjoy with their friends and family and lose their freedom. Okay, now we will move towards the page number 26. What is this line? एक तो वॉइस टा नाउ नकी बोल now it is okay. Now come to page number 26, and this page number 26 I will discuss. Actually this is dependent on your solely on your feeling. So these all answers are given of your own experience. Once I will discuss and you will write all the answers of your own. Okay. So page 26 is your homework. So what is the feeling when you are riding on the elephant? Maybe you have ride on the elephant, maybe you do not have any kind of experience. So whatever your experience, you will write it down here. Next one is, which animals have you sat on, and write their name. So horse, animal, elephant, camel, donkey and buffalo, these all animals are there where generally people ride. Maybe for professionally they ride on them, and sometimes they take the ride for the enjoyment. Now the last question is given here. You have seen many animals around you in books, in movies, some may be alone, some in groups. Find out more about any one of these animals and write about it. So here any of the animal you can choose of your own. Maybe the animal, maybe which animals you are seeing all around you, maybe it is a cat, maybe it is a dog, or you can choose a tiger also from the wildlife, you can choose an elephant. So you have to write few lines about them. Suppose what type of lines, whatever the type of life the animal is leading. Suppose you are writing about the tiger. So tiger is a wild animal, it leads its life in the jungle, but whenever you are choosing a dog, that time you have to write it is a domestic animal, or you can write it is a pet animal, and we are keeping them out of love, and it guards our house. Okay, so these all are the answers, will different from each other. And then you will write, there are so many types of tiger. Few tigers are found in our West Bengal in Sundarban, and they are called Royal Bengal tiger. And in the cold places we can see the white tigers, and the other places we can see the tigers. They are little bit different, they are little bit smaller than our Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, so what is their habitat? They are living in a dense jungle, and they lead their family life also. Their children are called cubs, and they choose their mating female, and they lead their life. Okay, And you can write also what they love to eat. They are the carnivorous animals, so they love to eat the flesh, and they want to they love to hunt. Okay, so these all are the things you can write in the time of tiger when you are choosing. But when you are choosing the dog, you have to write it is a very faithful animal, and you can write the structure of that animal, and you can also write what it loves to eat, what it likes to eat. So it likes to eat flesh, milk and bone, as well as it loves to guard our house. It is a very playing type of animal and play lover animal. So we generally we love to play with dogs also, and they are very disciplined. They are obedient, and they love their masters, and they obey their instructions. Okay, so whatever the animal you choose, you have to write about their structure, about the type of the animal, whatever they want to love to eat, whatever they, how they lead their life. Okay, so these all you will write, and page number 26 is your homework, because this is all solely your answer and depend on your feeling. Now we will come to page number 27. I am writing all the other answers in page number 27, and you will write all the answers of page number 27. So come to page number 27. So copy it down in your copy, page number 27. Refer to page 27. Okay, here you see one buffalo is just, one egret is riding on the buffalo, and we will write all the answers. You have to be write fast. So answer 1 is, why do you think the egret is sitting on the buffalo? So the egret is sitting on the buffalo. Write down, copy it down. The egret is sitting on the buffalo to eat insects. Okay, the egret is sitting on the buffalo to eat insects that are sticking Roshni is typing. Tawfiq is, what happened? Write down, I am referring to page number 27. If somewhere it is being left, you can copy it down from your video, because videos will be also released. So you can copy it down from there. Okay, don't worry about that. So buffalo to eat insects that are sticking. Insects that are sticking on skin. Okay, so the first answer, the egret is sitting on the buffalo to eat insects that are sticking on buffalo's skin. They both benefit each other as egret gets its food and buffalo gets rid of germs and insects. Understood? So write it down. The first one is, Shoham, I am giving the answer. I am dictating also. If you are unable to see from the board, so write it down. I am telling you the answer very slowly. Okay? So the egret is sitting on the buffalo to eat insects that are sticking on buffalo's skin. They both benefit each other as egret gets its food and buffalo gets rid of germs and insects. So whatever you can write from the board, you write it down, and what is left you just write. As I am dictating it, once again after writing all the answers, again I will dictate. Now the answer number 2, have you seen any animal riding on the other animal? Yes, first part is yes, then give the comma. An oxpecker rides on zebra to eat ticks. So the second answer, have you seen any animal riding on other animal? Write its name. The answer is yes. We have seen actually an oxpecker rides on zebra to eat ticks. Another type, you can write the other names of the animal. Just we have seen there are some another animals you can write. Their pairings are also there. Sometimes the parasites or this type of lyses are carrying with our hair, and there are some other animal cows move on the buffalo's skin also. So there are so many other animals, you can take any one of the example. Now the third one is, question is, the animal which is riding, obviously egret is riding. And number 4, which animal do we use? The animal which gives the right? Buffalo. Fifth answer, which animals do we use for riding? You can write your own answer also. Horse, camel, elephant, etc., etc. Okay. Now the sixth answer, which animals do we use for carrying load? Again, buffalo, donkey, camel, elephant, buffalo, donkey, camel, elephant, oxen, are used for carrying Okay, so there are the answer. Egret is again I am telling you all the answer. Answer number 1. Why do you think the egret is sitting on the buffalo? The egret is sitting on the buffalo to eat insects that are sticking on buffalo's skin, as they both benefit each other, as egret gets its food and buffalo gets rid of germs and insects. So, this is the first answer. Now, second answer, have you seen any animal riding on the another animal? Write its name. So, I have took one animal. Yes, an oxpecker rides on zebra to eat ticks. Okay. Now, permission to record, if it is permission to record, we can record the video and do it in our home. Yes, you can do it, and you can take the snapshot also, okay, for the answers. And then which animal do we use for riding? Horse, elephant and camel generally we use for riding. Now, which animal do we use for carrying loads? Horses, elephants, camel, oxen, these all are the animals which we use for carrying the loads. And we know the donkey is also called the beast of burden. So, actually it is used for carrying too much load. So, these all are the answers of page number 27, and page number 26 is actually your homework. You have to write all answers and submit it in the e-portal. And the page number 25, I have chosen 2 questions and given you the answers, which suppose that you cannot write. And the last page, there are some kinds of riddles that we will solve in our next class, as well as we will write all the answers of your activity book in my next class. Okay. So, be safe at your home. If you have any kind of problem, just write down. If you have any question, you can ask me. So, I am giving you 2 minutes to write your answers, and just write your questions. And if any question you are not understanding, then you can write. Now, I will give the questions, but all questions answer I will not give in the e-portal, because there are so many questions. So, few of them I will just give in the e-portal, but the day when I am giving the answers in the e-portal, you have to see it, because within few days they are removing all the answers. Okay. So, next you will not just get the answers. Clear to you? So, please write down the answers from the board, and few important questions and few answers I will give in the e-portal. Okay. Thank you. If you have any question, just write down. Answer of question number 6. Okay, I am telling you, Srijita. Answer number 6 is buffalo, donkey, camel, elephant and oxen are used for carrying loads. Okay. Again I am telling you, buffalo, donkey, camel, elephants, oxen are used for carrying loads. I think now it is clear to you, and any queries are there? Okay. Now I am just take care of yourself, and if any problem you can ask me. Okay. Okay, bye.